Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a countdown timer with Canva AI with no coding needed. Whether you need a ticker for a website, a presentation, or a video, this simple trick lets you generate a perfect, accurate timer using Canva's amazing AI tools. So, here, just open canva.com and head into the Canva AI on the left panel on your screen. And in here, you'll see the Canva AI page, and this one on this section, see what you can do with AI. You can just find the options to create a timer. This one, a simple countdown timer. You can just click on it, and Canva will open the Canva AI chat. This is the like the default prompt to create the timer, but you can always modify it by copying the prompt again, and you can paste it in here, and you can modify it with your own style, whether you want to change the timer or the typography or maybe the content. So this one is currently for meditation, but you can always change it. As you guys can see, this is how the timer will look like. If you want to generate again, you can just copy this prompt, paste it again in here. You can change the color, you can change the style and everything. And if you want to see how it will look like, the countdown, you can click on start. And in here, you can also click on use inner design to use this timer. For example, I'm going to use it on my presentation. You can just click on this presentation option, and then a new design in presentation layout or size will be open, and your timer will be automatically added. So guys, that's pretty easy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you all in the next tutorial.